Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a kind of review tutorial on the new Smashbox Create and Transform kit, and in the box it will look like this, but it actually folds down into this cool little compact thing in the right way, and this apparently can create over 100 looks with it. So it's got a set of eyeshadows and then these transformer shadows, same with the blushes, contour and cheeks, and then lipsticks. So I'm going to start with vanilla and just that sort of up to the brow bone, so we've got something to blend the colours into. And I'm going to go in with nude and make it sort of a contour socket shade. Put my brush down back and forth. This is a really nice contour shade, to be honest. Next I've got a flat brush and I'm going in with the colour Hazelnut. And I'm just putting this all over the lid. It's like a matte warm brown. I'm just going to leave the inner corner a little bit free. And just patting it up to the crease. These colours are really nice, really pigmented. I haven't got a primer on. I've got concealer on my eyes, but that's about it. So pretty good. Sort of blending, but not too much, not blending up. So I'm going to get the brush I used before, and I'm just going to blend over the line. I'm not dragging it up because I want it to be more of a eyelid colour than any higher. So just blend back and forth till any harsh lines are gone. Then I'm just going to take the same brush I've used and dip it back in the nude, but it's still got the hazelnut colour on, and I'm just going to do that inner corner and sort of blend it up so it's just a tiny bit lighter but not too light. So now I'm getting the colour Eye Shot and just pressing it on. Close to the lash line, just to add a bit of a line. And then at the end, this is like an angled brush. I'm just going to follow the line from my bottom lashes and just lift it a little bit and drag and join that line so it extends. Okay, so I've done my eyebrows and I've concealed under my eyes, so now I'm going to carry on. So I love this colour. This colour is called Tail Feather, and this is going to go underneath my eyes, and it's going to go underneath. Quite close to the eyelash line, but I'm sort of dragging it down just a little bit. And you want it to sort of sweep so it gets thinner as it gets to the inner corner. So this hasn't come with the palette, but I've got a green eyeliner here, and I'm just going to line inside my eyes. Then I've got dark brown eyeliner by NYX that I'm going to tightline with. Okay, then it's just curling lashes and mascara. I'm going to get some of the vanilla and pop it underneath my eyebrows. Okay, so I've added mascara. I'm now onto the face. So I'm going to do the first look with none of the transformers, and then we'll crack on. So I think I'm going to use the shade that's actually called Contour first for the contour. Then I'm going to use the blush which is called Guava. My favourite colours of blush. And then there's the highlight shade is just called Highlight, and it's a matte highlighter, which is quite nice. So top of my cheekbones. Okay, now on to lips, and you know, go hard or go home. I'm going to go for witchy. So the colours that I used were vanilla and then nude. So vanilla all over the lid, and then the nude was in the crease, and then hazelnut is on my lid and tail feather is underneath, and then night shoot is my eyeliner. I haven't used any of the transformers yet, and then I've got guava on my cheeks, contour on my contour, and the matte highlight on top of my cheeks and on my brow bone, and then I've used witchy as my lipstick. Okay, so now for the fun bit. We are going to transform. Okay, so, oh my god, I did not know they popped out. Dial Up, which is the second brightest shade. So right in the middle. So I've just put a little bit sort of here in this centre bit, but I think I've gone a little bit too far in. I wanted it more just above the where the eye sits in the middle. I like it. And then I'm going to go in with the lightest transformer shade, which is called Bewitch, and I'm going to pop this in the inner corner into the other transformer shade. I'm going to go in with Spectral, which is like a nice blue. Wow, that does make that a lot different. It's made it really, really bright in comparison. It's like a really bright blue now, where that was a green. So, okay, so now I'm on to the rest of the face. I'm going to use the transformer called, I might go for Armpit actually, which is a kind of cool pink shade. That's looking a lot more rosier on camera, I think, but it's a cool pink. And I'm just going to go over the one I've already got on. It's kind of weird, you don't know what it's doing to what you've already got on. So I don't know if you can see the difference. So that's gone more pinky than that shade. That blue looks different, and it was layered with that one. So that one there, and my little finger is there, and there. So I've got a purple and an orange. I'm going to go with the purple. So I'm just going to put this in the centre. So that makes it like really shiny, kind of reminds me of almost the 90s finish. More, so I'm going to go in with the black. Okay, so I'll just put black in all the corners. I think I should have left it how it was. So I've used the colours Double Take, which is the lilac, and then the Bank Rolled, which is the black on the lipstick. I think that works lovely. The witchy and the Double Take in the centre, those work really nice together. I shouldn't have gone in with the black. I got too excited. And I've transformed the cheeks. All I've done is add some bronzer this time. So that one. And then with this one, I've gone Armpit on top of the blush that I used, which was the Guava here, this end one. And then the Transformers, I've used the Spectral over the Tail Feather and the Dial Up and Bewitched on the lids. Compact palette, you can literally do everything. All you need is then your base or your foundation. So it's, yeah, you could do a lot with this. So my next one is definitely going to be Overbaked and Plum because they are stunning. So pretty. So yeah, I will see you in the next one, guys. I'm going to do a few looks on this one, probably one a day, so you're going to get lots and lots of looks on this. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.